Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vero. If you are new in here, please go and subscribe, turn on the notifications box so you can know whenever I'm gonna be uploading new videos. And let's start. Today is Sunday, that means the Super Bowl in the United States. I don't know anything about football, but I'm excited to see how it is in here. So today's topic is colors. Someone asked me, like, when you start painting, how do you know which colors combine or which colors to use in a painting to make it look good, to make it look like bright, or to make it look like I don't know, with a lot of contrast. So I decided to make this video of the color wheel. That is the basic things that you should know when you start painting. So this is it, and I want to say something. As I said before, I have a strong accent, so I just watched all my video and I realized that yeah, I have a problem when you pronounce the Y and when you pronounce the J. So I pronounce, like, instead of yellow, I say jello. So I'm just wanted to say that in case you hear me, that I'm pretty sure you're gonna hear me talking about that like a lot. So yeah, jello equals yellow. I'm sorry. So yeah, let's start with today's topic. If you are just starting to learn about painting, you may be asking, what is a color wheel? A color wheel is a circle in which the colors are organized according to the relationship between them. This circle is divided in 12 equal parts, which allow us to understand the process that goes along with the color combination and the formation of new colors. So you may be asking, how do we create our own color wheel? To create your own color wheel, you will need paper and a circle divided in 12 different pieces that are equal to each other. Then we will need our brush and our 3 different colors that are gonna be light blue, red, and yellow. In this case, I'm gonna be using the designer color brand, 2 pieces of paper to combine our colors, which I already have combined in here, and 2 water jars. So let's start first with the basic primary colors: yellow, red, and blue. Now that we have the primary colors, let's put it in the color wheel. The yellow one is gonna be always in the top. Then we have the red and the blue that we can decide for the sides. I like the blue on the left side and the red on the right side. Now that we have the primary colors, let's create the secondary colors. The yellow and the blue are gonna be creating the new color green, which is gonna be placed in the middle of yellow and blue in the color wheel. Then we have blue and red will create purple, which is gonna be placed between the red and the blue in the color wheel. And we finally have red and yellow, which create orange, so we place it in the color wheel as well. And last, let's create our tertiary colors: the yellow green, blue green, our blue purple, the red purple, our red orange, and the last one, that is the yellow orange. And as you can see, with 3 primary colors, we were able to create a wheel with 12 different colors. So now that we created, how do we use this color wheel? Let me explain just a little bit about it. As I explained before, there are 3 primary colors, which are the roots of our color wheel. Today we use the basic one, that is the yellow, red, and blue, with the yellow in the top and the red and the blue on the sides equally spaced around the color wheel. There are also 3 secondary colors: the green, purple, and orange, which are the result of the combination of 2 primary colors. In the color wheel, we place them in the middle of the 2 primary colors. And finally, we have 6 tertiary colors, which are yellow green, blue purple, red orange, and yellow orange, which are the results of 1 primary color combined with 1 secondary color. Now that we understood how to place the colors on the color wheel, let's start with the analogous colors. The analogous are a group of 3 colors that are placed side by side on the wheel and share one color in common. As for example, the yellow, green, blue, green, and their color in common, that is green. This combination of colors will give us a smooth and calming feeling. As for example, the famous painting of Vincent van Gogh, A Field of Yellow Flowers. Next, we have the complementary colors, which are in opposite sides of the color wheel. For example, blue and orange. When we use these colors in a paint, we create a vibrant feeling, as for example, another famous paint of Van Gogh that is called Still Life Verde with Red Gladiolas, which combine red and green. The next one is the split complementary color scheme. That is a combination of one color and two that are beside its complementary color. As example, the blue, the yellow orange, and the red orange. This combination, as well as the last one, will have a strong contrast, but a little bit more harmonious. We also have the Triadic Colors, which are three colors equally spaced in the color wheel, like the primary colors or yellow, orange, blue, green, and red, purple. If we use Triadic Colors in a paint, we will create a dynamic feeling. At last, we have the warm and the cool colors. We have 6 cool colors, from the yellow-green to the purple clockwise. These greens, blues, and purples bring us harmony, peace, vitality, and serenity to our paintings. At last, we have the warm colors, which are situated in the other side of the circle. The warm colors are the reds, oranges, and yellows, and they are considered to give us energy, brightness, radiance, and action in the paintings. Now that I explained all the colors in the color wheel, you may be asking, what about the neutral colors? Those colors like gray, white, black, or brown. So, I will be explaining in detail the neutral colors in the next video, as well as what happens when we combine them with the ones that we studied today. So that was all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching until here. And I just wanted to say that if you like it, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down. And give me some comments. Let me know if this was helpful for you, if you are a beginner, if you are just learning how to paint, and if you didn't know some things with things you already knew. And if you know the neutral colors that I'm gonna be talking next, if you know what happens when they are combined, please give me some comments down there. And yeah, that's all. So see you next week. Bye.